Principles of design. There are 6 key principles of design. Here we can see the 6 principles of design. We have balance, alignment, contrast, proximity, repetition, and white space. Successful design incorporates the use of the principles to communicate the intended message effectively. It would be useful to keep these principles in mind when you're designing your leaflet. Number 1, balance. Balance can be asymmetrical or symmetrical. Symmetrical is when the elements are evenly distributed to the left and to the right, or to the top and bottom of centre. Asymmetrical, on the other hand, is when you're trying to balance unlike objects of equal weight in your visual. Colour, value, size, shape and texture all help achieve this. Proximity. Proximity. The basic purpose of proximity is to organise. If the information is organised, it is more likely to be read and more likely to be remembered. Moving on to alignment. Every item should connect with something on the page. The basic purpose of alignment is to unify and organise the page. Let's now look at repetition. The basic purpose of repetition is to ensure consistency. It is a conscious effort to unify all parts of the design. Let's now move on to contrast. The basic purpose of contrast is to add visual interest to your page. The principle of contrast states that if 2 items are not exactly the same, then make them very, very different. And last but not least, we have white space. White space is the absence of text or graphics to break up the elements on the page and make the page less cramped, less confusing, or overwhelming. So these are the 6 elements of design. Remember these 6 principles and apply them to design of your leaflet.